In this video, we are going to learn about the order of operation. We are going to solve the practice question. So we need to remember, you can use a BODMAS or a BIDMAS. So this is bracket. Order is like in the case this, or divided and multiplication, addition and subtraction. So we can make it as a label about the BIDMAS. BIDMAS first is bracket, is indicates, this indicates, and the last is there is a same label, divided and multiplication, is divided and multiplication. But if you find two of them at the same time starting from the left side, and the last is mass, addition and subtraction. They are the same level, so if you find two of them starting from the left side. Okay, number 1, calculate and give your answer correct to these two decimal places. Okay, we got 8 plus 3 times 6, so we need to do it multiplication first. It's gonna be 8 plus 18, which the answer is 26. Next, there is bracket and multiplication. Start with bracket. So this is gonna be 11 times 6 equal to 66. Okay, next we got times, minus, and divide. Starting from the left side, so 8 times 3 is gonna be 24 minus 4. Okay, minus, we can write it here, 4, and then divided by 5. Okay, we got minus and divided. So we starting from the divided. So 4 divided by 5. So it's gonna be 24 minus 0.8. So 24 minus 0.8 is gonna be 23.2. Next, we got addition and multiplication. Okay, starting from the highest level is multiplication. So 2.32 times 1.3. So let's write it, 12.64 plus 3.02. So the answer is 12.64 plus 30.2. So this is 15.66. Okay, next we got multiplication and subtraction. Starting from multiplication first. So 6.5 times 1.3 is gonna be 8.45. We minus by 5.06, which we get 3.39. Okay, next we got bracket and addition. So starting with the bracket first, 6.7 we divided by 8. So this is gonna be 0.84. Remember, two decimal places. Okay, and then addition with 1.6. So the answer is gonna be 2.4 and 4. Next, we got addition, and here is a division. So let's write it, 1.453 plus 7.6 divided by 3.2, which is 2.38. So 2.38 we addition with 1.453. Okay, so we got answer 3.83. Okay, next. Okay, this is invisible bracket. If you got a fraction, so we need to finish it first. This is invisible bracket. So we need to addition that one before we divide it. So 5.34 plus 3.315. So this is gonna be 8.655. We divided by 4.03. divided by 4.03. So we got the answer is 2.15. Okay. Next, we got division and subtraction. So starting with division. So 6.54 divided by 2.3. This is gonna be 2.84 minus 2.84 minus 1.08. So we got the answer 1.76. Next, okay, look at here. We got invisible bracket. So before we divide it, we need to finish it, the multiplication. So 5.27 divided by 1.4 times 1.35. 1.89. So let's proceed. 5.27 we divided by 1.89. So we got the answer 2.79. Next question. Remember, this is invisible bracket. So we need to finish it. So let's write it here. 11.5 we divided by 2.9 minus 1.43. We got the answer 1.47. So let's continue. 11.5 divided by 1.47. So we got the answer 7.82. Okay, next question. Okay, invisible bracket, don't forget. So we're starting with 0.23 times 4.26. So let's proceed here. Gonna be 0.98 divided by 1.32 plus 3.43. So this we got the answer 4.75. So let's finalize the answer. 0.98 we divided by 4.75, which is we got the answer is 0.21. Okay, next question. Okay, subtraction and division. So starting with division. So 8.9 divided by 10.4. So let's write it 0.9 minus 0.86. So let's proceed. See 8.9, we minus it by 0.89. So we got the answer 8.05. Next, we got fraction or division. Let's finish it. So first, okay, let's write it 12.6 divided by 8.3. So this is gonna be 1.52 minus by 1.98 divided by 4.62. Is 0.43. So let's proceed. 1.52 minus by 0.43 after we corrected two decimal places. Okay, the answer is 1.09. Okay, we got minus, subtraction, and indicate. Indicate is the higher than minus. So let's make it 2.03 square. So it's gonna be 12.9 minus 4.12. So let's write it. Let's calculate it. 12.9 minus 4.12. This answer is gonna be 8.78. Okay, next question. Remember, bracket and indicate. Bracket is the higher than indicate. So calculate it inside. 9.4 minus 2.67 will give us the answer 6.73, and then we make it power of 3. So the answer is gonna be 304.82. Okay, next we got each. Okay, we got each. So let's proceed. Each square. So let's make it 12.02 square. This is gonna be 104.82 44.48. We minus by 7.05. We have to square it first. It's gonna be 49.70 or 7. So let's finalize the answer. 144.48. We minus it by 49.70. So it's gonna be 94.78. Okay, bracket before indicate. So let's finish it inside the bracket. So the bracket there is division and subtraction. So starting with the division. It's gonna be 16.8 divided by 9.3. Okay, which is inside the bracket 1.8 minus 1.01 and then square it. So 1.8 minus 1.01 will give us the answer 0.79, and we make it square will give us the answer of 0.62. Okay, next is indices and bracket. So starting from bracket first, so let's keep it as 4.007 square. Invisible bracket. So 8.2 we minus it by 4.09 will give us the answer 4.11. So finish it the bracket. The indices. 4.07 square will give us the answer of 16.56. So 16.56 we divide by 4.11 will give us the answer 4.03. Okay, next let's finish it all division here, fraction. So let's write it 6.8 plus by 1.4 divided by 6.9 give us the answer of 0.20. Okay, next is minus with 1.2 divided by 9.3 will give us the answer of 0.12. So starting from the left side, because addition and subtraction they got the same level, so 6.8 times 0.20 will give us the answer of 7, and then minus by 0.12 minus 0.12 will give us the answer of 6.88. Next, finish it the bracket first. So keep it 4.3 plus bracket 1.2 plus 1.6 we divided by 5 will give us the answer of 0.32. Okay, finish the bracket. So it's gonna be 4.3 plus 1.2 plus 0.32 will give us the answer of 1.52, and we make it square. So we write it 4.3 plus, let's make it 1.52 square is 2.31. So let's addition 4.3 plus 2.31. So the answer is 6.61. Next, okay, we got the bracket. So we can keep it 6.1 over 2.8. Finish it the bracket. 2.1 divided by 1.6 will give us the answer of 1.31, and we make it square. Okay, while we make it square, we can divide also. 6.1 divided by 2.8. This is gonna be 2.18 plus 1.31 square is 1.72. So let's addition 2.18 plus 1.72 will give us the answer 3.9. Next, last two. Okay, finish it the bracket first. So 6.4 minus bracket. So let's make it square. 1.2 squares will give us the answer 1.44 plus 1.9 square will give us 3.61, and then we make it square again. So 6.4, let's finish it the inside. So 1.44 times 3.61 will give us the answer of 5.05. Make it square. So 6.4 minus by 5.5 square. 5.05 square will give us the answer of 25.5. So this answer is going to be minus 19.10. Okay, this is last question. So we got inside the bracket there is division. Starting with division, 4.8 minus 1 we divide by 9.6 will give us the answer of 0.1, and then multiplied by 4.3. So let's finalize it. 4.8 minus 0.1. So 4.7 multiplied by 4.3, and this will give the answer of 20.19. Thank you.